Electronic devices such as mobile phones, remotes, cameras, and computers play an important part in the majority of our lives. But what if your electronic devices is malfunctioning and old? Will you sell it? Or will you keep it and put it in the storage room?
Stop.
It is improper to dispose of electronic waste by throwing your device straight into the garbage. E-waste is discarded electronic devices. To help the ecology and the sustainability of all life on Earth, recycling or the management of e-waste is necessary for all aspects. Humankind's insatiable thirst for electronic gadgets is producing the world's fastest growing trash stream. E-waste is one of the fastest growing waste streams in the world due to rapidly developing technology, increasing customer demand for electronic and shorter product life cycles. According to global statistics, approximately 20 to 50 million tons of e-waste are generated per year and disposed of. This is the same as discarding 1,000 computers per second. The amount of e-waste is expected to rise by 500% in some areas in the next years, and it will weigh as much as all of the commercial airplanes that would have been produced. The United Nations Environment Program estimates that out of this number, only 20% of this is formally recycled. Frequently, the remaining 80% is burned or deposited in landfills. Thousands of tons also travel the globe to be manually disassembled or burnt by the lowest paid laborers. This unrefined type of urban mining has negative effects on people's health and causes enormous pollution, endangering both the environment and human health. The most recent global e-garbage monitor study from the UN predicts that by 2030, the amount of electronic waste created globally would reach 74 million metric tons. The research states that the Philippines is one of the Southeast Asia's top producers of e-waste due to higher electrical and electronic equipment usage, short life cycles, and few repair alternatives. The country is predicted to have created 3.9 kilograms of e-waste per inhabitant in 2019. This is not a simply severe health threat for local people. E-waste pollution may harm the climate and the ecosystem. E-waste, however, is not all bad news. It has the potential to be a profitable source of precious metals if properly collected, kept, and handled. Informal e-waste recycling workers in the neighborhood gather discarded electrical and electronic equipment such as computers, TV sets, fridges, and mobile phones from residences or from places where these goods have been dumped. They transport the e-waste to the facility so that the hazardous operation of disassembling the objects and recovering salvageable metals may be carried out in a safe and orderly way. Then, recycling trucks pick up the collected e-waste and transport them to the e-waste recycling center. In the recycling center, e-waste is shredded and segregated to separate non-ferrous or non-metal parts into ferrous or metal parts using a magnet. The non-metal parts are sorted into items that can be recycled into newer materials, while the metal parts are collected and put into a specialized machine where they are processed into new electronics. In the Philippines, there are trusted companies that you can send or donate your used electronics. These are HMR Super Surplus Bodega, located at Pioneer Street Corner, Reliance Street, Mandaluyong. E-Waste Management Philippines offers a door-to-door pickup in various cities in Metro Manila. The E-Waste Project, University of the Philippines, located at University of the Philippines, Diliman. Rojas Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, and Envirocycle Philippines Incorporation, located at Daystar Industrial Park, Pulong Santa Cruz, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Remember, make sure to wipe your personal data from your gadgets before proceeding with your electronic waste drop-offs and pickups. Deauthorize your iTunes, log out of your apps, delete them, and reformat any reusable electronics.